Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we're opening the 2020 E-Case. Now let's check out the super treasure hunt for the E-Case for 2020. It is that 88 Honda CRX car, 505 in the Honda series. Really nice car, take a look at it. The red wheels are a little bit of an overkill if you ask me, but I actually don't mind the casting. So let's get straight into this case and see what we have. Now I get all my cases from Grana Toys, so if you want to know where to get yours from, check out granatoys.com. I have a subscription there, and as soon as the case comes in, they send it out, which is excellent. So let's see what we've got. Now who did I say? Grana Toys, don't forget that, Grana Toys. Let's pull out the first three cars here. What have we got? We've got that custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. We've got the aisle driver, and we've got that 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Actually, this is a really cool car. It is a carryover from the previous case, but I really like this one. Really nice. All right, let's check out the next lot. We've got a 92 Ford Mustang in the Hot Wheels Art Car Series. Brand new casting for 2020, the Donut Drifter. Now, I'm not sure how this one's going to go on the track. I was really hoping it would be a track star, but it doesn't say it on the card, so I'm not going to hold my breath when we check it out. But it's a pretty cool looking casting. Nice work on the donut. And we've got the Porsche 918 Spyder from the Porsche series, which is a carryover. You've already seen us open the Super Treasure Hunt version of that car. So let's get the next lot. Oh, one that I really wanted coming up. We've got that Runway Rescue in the Metro series. Pretty nice in that green color. But this is what I've been waiting for. The new recolor on that Tesla Model 3 in that gunmetal gray. God, I've lost for words. I really love this casting. It is so nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And we've got another aisle driver. Oh, I think we've got the treasure hunt, the regular treasure hunt here. It's the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile car, 505 for the Batman series. See that treasure hunt symbol on the side there. See it on the card, not bad. Actually, I sort of like the color on this one. I'd seen it online and wasn't too sure about it, but it's not too bad. Yeah, so can't wait to get that one off the card and check it out. The other two cars were the Radical Racer and another 2018 Honda Type R. Still really like this car. Now, what else have we got? Oh, the 69 Chevelle in the Toon series, all chromed up. Actually, I was looking forward to this one as well. It looks really awesome in that chrome color. Pretty cool. Fished and chipped in the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Pretty nice. What's it got? A W on top. Gee, wonder what we're going to spell. Pretty nice. I really like this casting, and the artwork on this one is pretty cool. And we've also got the Baja truck. Now, I think this is a brand new casting for 2020. Let me know in the comments below if you can confirm that. That's a pretty cool car. Oh, another Tesla Model 3. So we've got another Tesla Model 3. Won't say no to that one. Thank you very much. We've got La Fasta in the Art Car series. Oh, look, and the letter is on the hood. Pretty cool. That H. Nice. And we've got that 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback with the Gulf artwork on the side there. Really nice car, really nice artwork, pretty cool. All right, let's check it out. We've got Cloak and Dagger in the X Races. Have another 65 Mustang 2x2 Fastback, and we've got the Diora 3 in the Hot Wheels Metro series. Still a bit thingo on this car, not sure. It hasn't grown on me like I thought it would. Let me know what you think in the comments below about the Diora 3. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Got that custom Cadillac Fleetwood. I was looking forward to this one. I don't think it'll perform on the track, but it's a very nice car and very fitting for the Rod Squad series. Got that Aston Martin Vulcan from the factory fresh. It's a carryover from the previous case. And we've got that 2016 Bugatti Chiron in black. Beautiful, take a look, really nice. We've already opened it up, but glad to have another one in the collection. Let me know if you've got one in the comments below. So we got another Aston Martin Vulcan. We've got that Forward Force as a track star car. Look at the top, pretty cool. I like that, nice. And we've got the Range Rover Velar in the Hot Wheels Turbo Series, car 305, the recolor into black. Beautiful, take a look. Oh man, this is awesome. Geez, now I'm not sure if I like the Tesla Model 3 the most or this black Range Rover Velar. Both really awesome cars to have in this case. All right, Not too excited about this one from the Race Day series, Street Stealth. We've got that Geo Terra in the Baja Blazers, and we've got another Porsche 918 Spider. I'm not sure how popular this casting has actually been. I thought it was going to be really popular and sought after this this round, but I'm not really hearing much about it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that Porsche 918 Spider. Got that Alpine A110 Cup in the Race Day series. We've got Tankanator, and it's a track star. I don't know if that's going to go on the track that we usually use to test because it's a very high car. I wonder how it'll go. This one, the Nissan Silvia, really hotly anticipated. Take a look, really nice. This is a bit dusty in here. Can we see interior in there? Can't quite check it out. Is it left-hand drive or right-hand drive? Is it a real JDM? I can't wait to open to check that out. Let me know in the comments below if you know if it's a left-hand or a right-hand drive car. Cool. Oh yeah, nice. Got the Audi RS5 Coupe recolor in blue. That is beautiful. Take a look at the blue. God, this is really a lot of whole nice cars in this case. Very impressed. Got the 88 Honda CRX, the regular mainline. So we'll just bring back that treasure hunt so you can see the difference there. I think the mainline wheels are actually a lot better, but let me know what you think in the comments below. You can see the colors are just a little bit different. We've got red and black and red and blue, still the same numbers, but the card does see the different colors there as well. So that is pretty cool. If you're looking for this one on the pegs, that's how you can tell the difference. The card artwork is very different and the cars are different as well, but that's pretty cool. I like that main line. And we had that 2018 Ford Mustang GT, very nice car. All right, so we're up to the bottom layer of this case. I was really hoping to pull the Hot Wheels ID chase car, but I don't know if I can see it in there. It's a little bit of a disappointment, but never mind. What have we got here? Top layer, bottom layer. Got that Geo Terra. We've got another Nissan Silvia, beautiful, good to have two. And we've got Manga Tuna, which is a carryover in that tuned series. Just knocking the camera there, sorry guys. Another Manga Tuna, got that Surf and Turf, not a track star, did not work on the track. Let me know how you got this one to go on the track. It's way too wide for the track, so very big disappointment. Audi RS5 Coupe, again, second one in the case, very nice. Should be plenty to go around for everyone. We've got another Forward Force from the Trackstar series. Got a second 88 Honda CRX mainline, beautiful, and the Tankanator again. Okay, beautiful. Two more that we really need, the Bugatti Chiron and the Range Rover Velar. Again, there should be plenty of these to go around on the pegs. Hope everyone can find one. And another Surf and Turf. The Mazda REPU, we already opened that guy up. He's pretty cool on the track. The 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup, very nice car with that moon eyes there. And we've got Moto Wing. Not my type of car. Got another Alpine A10 Cup. We've got that 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor, which is awesome on the track. Let me know if you've seen that one on the track. I really like the sound it makes. It's pretty cool. And we've got the El Viento in the Xpera Motors Trackstar. Beautiful. Thank you. Another Volkswagen Beetle pickup. That's cool. Another Mazda REPU. And we've got another A10 Alpine Cup. Is that 2 or 3 I've pulled from this case? That's quite a lot. That is quite a lot indeed. Got another El Viento. We've got another Moto Wing. And we've got another 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. Thank you. Another Mazda REPU. And I can see the Timer Taxi. It is not an ID chase car. This is very disappointing because I really want the ID chase. I have seen some international cases pull the ID chase car of the Timer Taxi, but doesn't look like we're getting it here. But still a very cool car. I never used to like this one, but it is starting to grow on me, and this color is nice. And it's a track star. Another 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. That's 3 in this case. I think that's a little bit of overkill for that casting in this case. Got a second custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Got a Beat All, only 1 in the case, that's good. And we've got Nerve Hammer from the Trackstar series, very nice. Oh, Mod Rod, but oh, hang on. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh my God, I'm very excited. I'm sorry. Mod Rod, really cool recasting. Take a look at the back wheel, so chunky. This red color is awesome. I am actually in love with this casting. It was not that great in that gray sort of color that came out in the Factory Fresh series for 2019, but this one here, car 5 of 10 in the Dream Garage series in that red, I think this is meant to be. Look at it, beautiful. And yeah, I spoke way too soon. I've got the Hot Wheels ID Timer Taxi. Oh my God, this is excellent. Woo-hoo. I'm sorry, okay, I was a little bit too excited. That is awesome. Where did the other Timer Taxi go? Let's take a look. Pretty cool. Oh man, I've got so many Hot Wheel ID cars I haven't shown you guys yet because I'm not sure how popular they are. But now that I've got the Chase, oh man, maybe I'm gonna have to make an ID Hot Wheels video. Take a look at it. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Yes. Beautiful. Cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Oh, knocked the camera again. Oh, we've got Speed Driver. Take a look. Pretty cool. Rip Rod. Actually, I like this recolor. And in the Dream Garage series, look at them. They're very similar looking cars, aren't they? But pretty cool. Yeah, Rip Rod is a nice little car. And it's a track star, so that's pretty cool. And the last car was Aeropod. All right, time for some special mentions in this 2020 E-Case, and it's definitely going to go to a Timer Taxi, the Hot Wheels ID chase car. Very excited to get that guy. We're also very happy to have, oh, I've thrown it away. Have we got another one here? No. We're very happy to have this Tesla Model 3. Beautiful recolor there. Nice to grab the regular Treasure Hunt, although it's a fantasy, pretty cool. The Nissan Silvia. Beautiful car. I'm gonna have to say Rip Rod and Mod Rod. Where is my Rip Rod? Here he is. Two pretty cool cars to have in this case. Nice to get some extra Bugattis. This one is definitely very cool, that Audi RS5 Coupe. So a whole lot of really awesome cars in this case. Cannot wait to open some of them up. I've got to mention as well the Range Rover Velar, and probably a fantasy that I really like out of this one is that Donut Drifter, but definitely the highlight of the case is the Hot Wheels ID chase car. Thank you very much. All right, everyone, let me know in the comments below which was your highlights from this 2020 E-Case. All right, big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Thanks for watching.